event. Bhoi College celebrated the closing ceremony of its annual College Week today, marking the end of a week-long event that began on October 25th. Organized by the Bhoi College Students' Union under the theme, "The Dreams of Today are the Realities of Tomorrow," the ceremony showcased the talents and dedication of both students and faculty. Meral Bonsiam, MLA of Nongpo, attended the event as the chief guest. A significant highlight of the day was the recognition of several individuals instrumental in the establishment of Bhoi College, honoring their contributions to the institution's development.
So the team that has been put forward. The question is that to all the students who are here, do you dare to dream or not that you will become someone someday? It is $1 million question to each and every one of us.